Whispers in the dark, calling my name. Echoes of love, both wild and tame. Through shadowed hearts I learn to see the truth that hides inside of me. In the depths of forever, I rise and I fall. Through surrender and silence, I'm breaking the wall. Where the soul meets the storm, and the heart learns to mend. Every ending begins again. Between the worlds, the lines all fade. Dreams entwine in the love we made. The light reveals what time concealed. A promise lost, yet now revealed. Let the tides pull me near. I'll face what I fear. Through illusion, I'll find what's real here. Transformation begins when I let go, and the current of truth starts to flow. In the depths of forever,